should be able to hang in for the night. What if I told you about smoking all the goddamn weed?
I always said I'd live on a boat and have it great. This is amazing.
You're freeloading, Leroy. And you're sitting around smoking all the weed.
Well, this one's already rolled, so I'll just smoke this one.
It's a goddamn zombie apocalypse. I can't just call my buddy up to deliver more weed or go on weed maps and find a dispensary.
You know, when I get that satellite dish fixed, I'll have our internet service up. You can just go on the website. We'll find some.
You ain't gonna fix no satellite. You've been talking about that for a whole month. You can't even get off the couch. And that, by the way, the indica, it means into couch.
You see any zombies out there?
No.
That's the cannabis camouflage. I told you, that's why we gotta keep burning. They can't smell our human flesh.
We're in the middle of the ocean, Leroy. There's no zombies out here.
Not now.
Whatever. All right. There could be drones out here. They could be looking for us. You're gonna have to take first watch. I haven't slept in 52 hours. I really need some rest. And you're asleep. Greedy ass didn't even send me into that joint.
Lone Ranger, rescuing folks in danger in a zombie apocalypse world. A zombie apocalypse dystopian future.